So in this C tutorial, we will be discussing constants in C. So what is a constant? Well, a constant is um, basically if you don't want yourself to change existing variable values, you can use the const keyword. So const, um, if you don't want to change existing variable values. So an example of this would be const int my num equals 66. So if I try to change this, so first of all, let's see if this even compiles. So it does. If I tried to change the value of my num, it should throw an error. So if I do my num equals 55 and I save this, it basically will throw an error. So we can do a couple more examples. So we can do const float pi, and that equals 3.14. Oops, 3.14. I'll make a note here. Is note when when declaring a const variable, it must be assigned a value. So we can do one more example. So const int, let's say the date, and that equals 12. And we can save this. So another thing for good practice with constant variables is to declare them with uppercase. It's definitely not required, but it's useful for readability. So we have these two are uppercase, so we could change this then to my num. So this is a very simple tutorial on using the const about constants. So if you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.